Hi, I'm Dr. Josh Robinson, and I will be doing a series of lectures this semester on interesting social topics in the news and understanding what's going on with economics. So the first one will be on understanding state lotteries, how they're funded, and whether or not that's a good thing for the state population. I'll also be doing two other lectures this semester, one on understanding the social costs of gun violence, and one on understanding the difficulties of minimum wage policy. So I hope you'll join me.
Hi, my name is Kristen Gavin, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Neurobiology. This fall, I'll be running the Science Fiction Book Club. We're going to look at social issues from gender to race to politics, all through the lens of science fiction and kind of how we can use science fiction as a tool to help us think beyond our normal boundaries. I'm also going to be giving a couple of lectures on the mind-body connection, so basically how your brain can influence your body and vice versa. We'll be looking at things, everything from the placebo effect to alien abductions to crazy disorders that people get when they get too stressed out. We'll also be doing yoga and some guided meditation to help the students calm their minds as well as their bodies.
Hi, my name is Dave Hilton. I'm an associate professor of physics here at UAB. So my faculty fellows project is going to be about the imposter syndrome. So this is a well-known thing in academia where a lot of very successful people don't feel like they belong. And this is actually one of those things that I think a lot of people that are very high achieving people kind of feel like this, that I'm not really supposed to be where I am. And so I want to talk some about that, talk about all the mental health aspects of all of that. This is a great way to understand what's in store as you go through either medical school or professional school. The other thing that's going to be part of my faculty fellows program is I'm a distance runner, so I've set up a weekly running group, and we're going to be planning for the Blazer 5K that's going to be on homecoming weekend for anybody that wants to start running or anybody that's already a runner.
Hi, my name is Steve McCornack. I'm a professor here in communication studies. I've studied deception for the last 30 years, and my series of seminars this year are going to be dinner and deception. So we're going to get together and eat food once a month and hang out and talk about all the different issues related to deception. What most people know about deception from the popular media is not true, ironically. And so we're going to talk about the truth about deception as it relates to relationships, politics, people's personal lives. So it should be really sweet.